XLC ETF breaks one-year high. Bullish outlook and analysis. Discover the technical perspective on XLC's impressive ascent to a new one-year high. Our analysis dives into the ETF's adherence to a bullish pitchfork pattern, moving from the lower extreme towards the median line, indicating a possible continuation of the upward trend. Coupled with a strong 0.82 correlation with the SPY, XLC mirrors the broader market's movements, reinforcing its current bullish stance. Recent trading volumes and positive news sentiment further augment the optimistic forecast. Stay tuned as we explore the potential for XLC to set new benchmarks and what traders should watch in the coming sessions.